Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix no access on TikTok Live Studio PC. So let's get started. If you're seeing the no access message in TikTok Live Studio on your PC, it usually means your account doesn't currently qualify for Live Studio access. To use Live Studio, your TikTok account must meet several eligibility requirements. First, your account needs to be old enough. In most cases, TikTok requires the account to have been active for at least 30 days, although some users may need an older account depending on their region or account status. You will also need to have gone live from TikTok mobile app before requesting access to Live Studio. Another important requirement is your followers count. Generally, you'll need at least 1,000 followers before you're eligible to stream from your computer. In addition, your account must be in good standing if your live privileges have been suspended or you have received restrictions for violating TikTok's community guidelines. You may not be able to access Live Studio. So once you meet all the requirements, open TikTok Live Studio, click your profile icon, and select Live Access. You'll then see the available access options such as a 14-day access, 180-day access, or the option to maintain 180-day access depending on your account's eligibility. Simply choose the available option, click Get Access, and after a request is approved, you'll now be able to start streaming directly from TikTok Live Studio on your PC. That's how you can resolve the no access message in TikTok Live Studio. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.